how to delete all saved chats on Snapchat. So if you want to delete all saved chats on Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you need to open up your Snapchat. Now, after opening your Snapchat, for example, I'll show you by first sending a chat and then saving it. I'll just simply send a chat and then, oh wait, I'll go with a single chat, send the chat. Now, after sending the chat, you need to tap and save the chat. Now, the process is just the same for unsaving or deleting the saved chats. Simply tap on the chat or tap on the profile of that person. Now here, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. And then you need to just simply go with chat and notification settings and go with delete chats. And here you will have after viewing, tap on after viewing, and the chat will be deleted just after the other person has seen it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.